But yeah, there we go. There we go. This is part 2 of the video. As I said before, printing something this thin and like this. And this was supposed to be vase mode, but it, you know, I gave it instructions, so it failed me. So it is still a little bit thick, but also definitely light, so it is probably super strong. I could print something like this, but even bigger, which would end up being even heavier. But again, we don't know about the performance and stuff like that. All that matters is that the motors and the electronics that I have enough power to lift this off the ground. So I would have preferred this to be in vase mode, but it just failed. So what are you gonna do? Anyway, it looks cool. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.
Likey.